Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the Sketch to 3D Render feature in Ortiz AI, which is an online generative AI design platform. So here is a sketch image that I took and converted it into this 3D rendered image using this really cool feature. So let me show you how. So I'm logged into my Ortiz account. This is the main dashboard area. Start by clicking Create Design at the top, and then choose Fast AI Image Designer. We are currently in AI Image Designer version 6 section. So go to the AI Design Assistance section, and then click on Sketch to 3D Render. In this section, you can drag and drop your image here. I'll click on this Browse link, which is what I'll do. Navigate to your folder on your computer, choose the image, and then click Open. So here is the image. Let me scroll down. You can use this drop down to choose the aspect ratio. I'll leave it to the default 1:1. And in this box, you can enter a specific prompt. I'm just going to leave it to the default prompt, as you can see here. Next, I'll click on Generate Image. It'll then redirect you to the Personal Design section and then start generating the image. So give it a few seconds. And here is the image. Let me scroll down so you can see the full image. You can hover your mouse over the image and then use this button to download it to your computer. You can click this pencil icon if you need to edit it. And if you click on this eye icon, you'll see this dialog box pop up where it will display the details about the image. So here is the before and after of the sketch image, and that looks pretty cool, I think. So here is another sketch image that I took and then converted it into this cool 3D rendered image. Here is another example of a horse sketch image that I converted. And finally, here is another example of a flat coat of arms image that I converted into a 3D rendered image. There is so much more that you can do with Ortiz. Check the link in the description section to get it at a one-time discounted price. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.